Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 86, Letter T. So this is another one of those puzzles that I've been giving you lately, a lateral thinking puzzle. Thank you for all the great feedback I've received. It's obvious that the people who are doing these puzzles are enjoying them. Let's have a look at this one now. What 4 days of the week start with the letter T? A clue will be given on the next slide. So do your best to solve this, and in 2 minutes' time I will give you a very good clue which should help you to solve it, but you might solve it even without the clue. Okay, as promised, we've got a clue on the next slide. Now, if you've solved it, congratulations. If you need a little bit of help, here is the clue. The clue is the day after the present day and the day before that day. So let's see if that clue helps you. Good luck with it. And the answer is on the next slide. Okay, I wonder if that little clue there helped you get the answer. Here we go. Congratulations if you got the puzzle. Here is the answer. I'd be interested to know your reaction to this answer. Here we go. What 4 days of the week start with the letter T? Tuesday, Thursday, today, tomorrow. A little bit tricky, isn't it? Sorry if you found it a little bit tricky, but it is quite interesting. If you would like to subscribe to my channel or access another puzzle, you can do so on the next slide, and we'll go there right now.